Hello, my planning peeps. It's Cheyenne from Pixie Craft Co. And I'm going to show you how to use the free printables that are going to be on my blog. My blog is new and it's fresh and it's fun, and I'm having a really good time creating things. I always have a good time creating things, but this has got my creative juices going. So here is the first free printable that you're going to be able to find on my blog. This is for a planner. I did make this to fit inside the Happy Planner because that is what I have. And this is going to be a Cricut friendly PNG file, because there's not a whole lot of Cricut friendly printables out there, are there? You know, a lot of them are for, you know, the silhouette and all that stuff. So I thought I'd help all of my Cricut brothers and sisters out. So after you download this PNG file from my blog, which will be linked in the description bar below, or if you're watching this from my blog, I thank you for visiting and I hope you enjoy this printable. Anyway, so that's going to be it. We're going to close out of this. So once you have it downloaded, chances are it's going to be in your download folder. It's all dependent on where you have all of your downloads go. Alright, so here we go. We're going to open up a new file in your Cricut design space. You're going to come over here to the upload button. Now I always like to drag and drop my images. So we're going to click on upload images and then we're going to reduce it. I just find it's easier for me to go ahead and pull up this file and then drag and drop. So here's the Floral Stripe Planner Sticker 1 PNG. So here we go. Alright, we don't need that anymore. And then we're going to open this up. So here it is. Here's the image. Let's select complex image. This is going to make sure that the best detail from the print image is actually going to show up. Hit continue. Now here is the page that you're going to do any cleanup. You don't need to do any cleanup. It's all ready to go. So go ahead and hit continue again. Now here's your preview. You can save as a print and cut or save as a cut image. If you save as a cut image, you're not going to get the printable image here. It's just going to cut out these boxes in whatever pattern paper, regular paper, whatever you want. So I mean that could be an option if there's some pretty paper that you want to go ahead and cut out and use in your planner. Hey, I mean, I'm not going to judge, you know, use it how you want. That's the beauty of your creative space. You can create however you want. Anyway, all right, save and print and cut. The image name is already up here. I like to tag my stuff with planner or planner kit just so that it's easier for me to find. And then you're going to hit save. I've already saved this twice, so I don't think I need a third one on here. But you're going to go ahead and hit save. It's going to upload it, and then you're going to end up back at this main screen here. So you can see here, I've uploaded it twice. We're good. So once you get back to here, you can go ahead and click here to insert the image onto your canvas. I don't know why, but Cricut always brings in the images in really strange proportions. It's odd. I don't know why. I don't have an answer. Alright, so what you're going to do in order to print this out in the correct size is to keep this lock proportions on. Now you're going to come over here to width and you're going to put in 6.75. That is the area, 6.75 by 9.25. That is the area that the Cricut will print and cut. I've designed all of my files to print and cut within that window. So you just have to put in those measurements. So here we go. We are ready to go at this point. You can go ahead and select Make It. And you see here, this is how it's going to print and cut. It's going to print out all of this, and then it's going to cut out each of these individual squares, like all of these big images. So that is all you have to do. Now what I am loving and why I'm designing printables now is this gives you the option to print and cut as many times as you want. Use this file on every page of your planner if you want to. It's okay. You can also choose whatever printable medium that you want. If you want to just do a whole bunch of cardstock, in these to do journaling boxes and accents for your scrapbooks, you can absolutely do that. But since this is for your planner, I do recommend using a sticker paper. I like the Staples matte white sticker paper, especially on things that I'm going to be writing on. And these I have set up where I can write on them and still see through. So I don't want a slick surface because that's going to limit what pens and pencils, whatever you write in, how many you can use, because some things just don't write on a slick surface. So the Staples matte white I find is a really good value, and it works good with my printer and everything. I like it. There are going to be, other files that you might want. Like I'm going to be doing some script words, some word stickers for your planner that are going to be on my Etsy shop. And you will be able to print and cut on a clear sticker paper if you want the clear background, or you can go ahead and do a glossy white, because chances are you're not going to be writing over the words, the sticker paper. So anyway, I'm getting off on a tangent here. That is how you use these print and cut Cricut ready free printables on my blog. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I will do my best to walk you through all of this. I am not a computer expert by any means, but I can help you through with the best of my ability based on my knowledge and experience. Oh, all right, until next time, happy planning. Bye.